ॐ श्रीरामरक्षस्तोत्रम्। Sri Rama Raksha Stotram is a sacred hymn invoking Sri Ram's protection for the body, mind and soul. Composed by sage Buddha Kaushika, it is a powerful spiritual shield, best chanted with devotion and understanding for divine grace and inner strength. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Asya Shri Rama Raksha Stotra Mantrasya Buddha Kaushika Rishihi Shri Sita Ramachandro Devata Anushtup Chandaha Sita Shaktihi Srimad Hanuman Kilakam Shri Sita Ramachandra Prityarthe Jape Viniyogah. Dhyanam ध्यायेदाजानुबाहुं धृतशरधनुषं बद्धपद्मासनस्थं पीतं वासोवसानं नवकमलदलस्पर्धिनेत्रं प्रसन्नं वामाङ्कारूढसीता मुखकमलमिलल्लोचनं नीरदाभं नानालङ्कारदीप्तं दधतमुरुजटामण्डलं रामचन्द्रम् चरितं रघुनाथस्य शतकोटिप्रविस्तरम् एकैकम् अक्षरं पुंसां महापातकनाशनम्. The life story of Bhagavan Ram spans millions of verses. Each syllable has the power to destroy even the greatest sins. ध्यात्वा नीलोत्पलश्यामं रामं राजीवलोचनं जानकीलक्षणोत्पेतं जटामुकुटमण्डितम्. Let us meditate on Sri Ram, who is dark like a blue lotus, whose eyes resemble blooming lotuses, and who is accompanied by Sita and Lakshman wearing a crown of matted locks. सासितूर्णधनुर्बाणपाणिं नक्तं चरान्तकं स्वलीलया जगत्त्रातुम् आविर्भूतम् अजं विभुम्. He holds a sword, quiver, bow and arrows and is the destroyer of demons. Though unborn, Ajaha, he manifests by his own will to protect the world. रामरक्षां पठेत् प्राज्ञः पापघ्नीं सर्वकामदां शिरो मे राघवः पातु भालं दशरथात्मजः. The wise would recite the Ram Raksha Stotra, which destroys sins and fulfills all desires. May Raghav protect my head and Dasharath's son guard my forehead. कौसल्येयो दृशौ पातु विश्वामित्रप्रियश्रुति घ्राणं पातु मखत्राता मुखं सौमित्रिवत्सलः. May Kausalya's son protect my eyes, beloved of Vishwamitra, protect my ears, protector of Yajnas, guard my nose, and the affectionate one to Lakshmanan, guard my mouth. जिह्वां विद्यानिधिः पातु कण्ठं भरतवन्दितः स्कन्धौ दिव्यायुधः पातु भुजौ भग्नेशकार्मुकः. May the ocean of wisdom protect my tongue, praised by Bharat, guard my throat, bearer of divine weapons, guard my shoulders, and the breaker of Shiv's bow protect my arms. करौ सीतापतिः पातु हृदयं जामदग्न्यजित् मध्यं पातु खरध्वंसी नाभिं जाम्बवदाश्रयः. May Sita's husband protect my hands victory over Parashuram, protect my heart. Destroyer of Khara, guard my abdomen, and Jambavan's protector, guard my navel. Sugriveshah Katipatu Sakthini Hanumat Prabhu Uru Raghuttamah Patu Rakshah Kulavinashakrit. May the Lord of Sugriva guard my hips, Master of Hanuman protect my thighs. May the greatest of the Raghus, destroyer of demon clans, protect my upper legs. Januni setu kritpatu janghe dashamukhantakah padau vibhishana shridah patu ramokhilam vapuhu. May the bridge builder protect my knees, slayer of Ravan guard my shins, granter of kingship to Vibhishan guard my feet. May Sri Ram protect my entire body. Etam Rama balopetam raksham yas sukriti pathet sa chirayus sukhi putri vijayi vinayi bhavet. The noble one who recites this Ram Raksha, filled with the power of Sri Ram, will be blessed with long life, happiness, children, victory and humility. Patala bhutala vyoma charinashchadma charinaha na drashtum api shaktaste rakshitam Rama namabhihi. Whether they dwell below, on or above the earth, even those who disguise themselves cannot even see the one protected by the name Rama, let alone harm him. Rameti Ramabhadrati Ramachandreti Vasmaran Naro na lipyate papaihi bhuktim muktim cha vindati. One who constantly remembers Rama, Ramabhadra or Ramachandra is never touched by sin and gains both worldly pleasures and spiritual liberation. Jagat-jayitraika mantrena Rama namna bhirakshitam yah kanthe dharayet tasya karastha sarva siddhayah. In all three worlds, who one wears the hymn of the name Rama as a protection around his neck will have all powers unto him. Vajra panjara namedam yo Rama kavacham smaret avyahatagnah sarvatra labhate jayamangalam. He who recites this hymn of the name of Rama called Vajra Panjara will be unaffected, unscathed and will enjoy victory in all his endeavors. Adishtavan yatha swapne Rama rakshami mam haraha tatha likhitavan pratah prabuddho buddha kaushikaha. Buddha Kaushika, composer of this stotram, was commanded in his dream by Lord Shiva to compose this hymn, and he did so as soon as he woke up in the morning. Aramah kalpa vrikshanam viramas sakalapadam abhiramastrilokanam Rama Shriman Sanaf Prabhu. Rama, who grants all desires like a wish-fulfilling tree, removes all obstacles and is the praise of all three worlds, is our Lord indeed. Tarunau Rupa Sampannau Sukumarau Mahabalau Pundarika Vishalakshau Chira Krishna Jinambarau. May the two brothers ever protect us who are young, handsome, lotus-eyed, and bark and deerskin dressed. फलमूलाशिनौ दान्तौ तापसौ ब्रह्मचारिणौ पुत्रौ दशरथस्यैतौ भ्रातरौ रामलक्ष्मणौ. These two sons of Dasharatha, the brothers Rama and Lakshmana, the ones who are subsisting on roots and fruits and practicing penance and celibacy. शरण्यौ सर्वसत्त्वानां श्रेष्ठौ सर्वधनुष्मतां रक्षः कुलनिहन्तारौ त्रायेतां नो रघुत्तमौ. May these two kinds of Raghu protect us, the foremost among the archers, the destroyers of the demons, and the refuge of all beings. May they protect us. आतसज्ज धनुषा विशुस्पृशा वक्षया शुगनिषङ्गसङ्गिनौ रक्षणाय मम रामलक्ष्मणावग्रतः पथि सदैव गच्छताम्. Rama and Lakshmana both, their bows pulled and ready, their hands on the arrows packed in ever full quivers, carried on their backs. May they always escort me in my path for my protection. सन्नदः कवची खड्गी चापबाणधरो युवा गच्छन्मनोरथोऽस्माकं रामः पातु सहानुजः. May the ever-ready youthful Ram, armed with sword, shield, bow and arrows, accompanied by his brother Lakshman, protect us as he moves like a wish-fulfilling thought. Ramo dasharathiः शूरो लक्ष्मणानुचरो बली काकुत्स्थः पुरुषः पूर्णः कौसल्येयो रघुत्तमः. Rama, the descendant of Raghu, and the son of Dasharatha and Kausalya, and ever accompanied by Lakshmana, is all-powerful and is the perfect man. Vedanta Vedyo Yagneshah Purana Purushottamah Janaki Vallabha Shriman Aprameya Parakramah. The Rama, who is perceived through Vedanta, who is Lord of all sacrifices, is ancient and the best among me, who is the beloved of Sita, and whose bravery is unmeasurable. Ityetani japannityam madbhaktashrddhayanvitah ashvamedhadhikam punyam samprapnoti na samshayah. Thus, Lord Shiva said, my devotee who recites these names of Rama with faith, he, without any doubt, is blessed more than the performance of Ashwamedha, which is the sacrifice of white horses, etc. Ramam durvadalashyamam padmaksham pitavasasam stuvanti namabhirdivyaih nate samsarino naraha. Those who sing the praise of Rama, who is dark complexioned like the leaf of green grass, who is lotus-eyed and dressed in yellow robes, those who sing the praise of him through this hymn are no longer ordinary men trapped in the world, they are liberated. Ramam Lakshmana Purvajam Raghuvaram Sitapatim Sundaram Kakutstham Karunarnavam Gunanidhim Viprapriyam Dharmikam Rajendram Satyasandham Dasharathatanayam Shyamalam Shantamurtim Vande Lokabhiramam Raghukuladilakam Raghavam Ravanarim. I salute that Rama who is handsome, the elder brother of Lakshmana, the husband of Sita, and the best of the descendants of Raghu race. Him who is the ocean of compassion, stockpile of virtues, the beloved of the Brahmanas, the protector of Dharma. Him who is the practitioner of truth, the Lord Emperor of Kings, the son of Dasharatha, dark complexioned, and the personification of peace and tranquility. Him who is the enemy of Ravana, the crown jewel of the Raghu dynasty, and center of admiration of all eyes. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedhase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Padaye Namaha. Salutations to Rama, who is also known as Ramabhadra, and Ramachandra, who is mentioned in the Vedas as the greatest lord of Raghuvamsha and the whole world, and who is the consort of Sita. I salute Rama, who is benevolent, good, and protecting, and peaceful as moon, and who is the lord of Sita and grand master guardian of all. Shri Rama Rama Raghunandana Rama Rama Shri Rama Rama Bharatagraja Rama Rama Shri Rama Rama Ranakarkasha Rama Rama Shri Rama Rama Sharanam Bhava Rama Rama. I surrender to that Rama who is the delight of the Raghus, the elder brother of Bharata, and the tormentor of his enemies in war. Shri Ramachandra Charanau Manasa Smarami Shri Ramachandra Charanau Vachasa Grinami Shri Ramachandra Charanau Shirasa Namami Shri Ramachandra Charanau Sharanam Prapadye. I remember the feet of Sri Ramachandra in my mind. I praise the feet of Sri Ramachandra by my speech. I salute the feet of Sri Ramachandra by bowing down my head. I take refuge on the feet of Sri Rama by bowing down myself. Mata Ramo Matpita Ramachandra Swami Ramo Matsakha Ramachandra Sarvasvam me Ramachandro Dayaluhu Nanyam Jane Naiva Jane Na Jane. Rama is like my mother, father, master, and friend. Indeed, the kind-hearted Rama is all I have. I know of no other like him. I really don't. Dakshine Lakshmano Yasya Vame Tu Janakatmaja Purato Marutiryasya Tam Vande Raghunandanam. I salute that Rama, delight of Raghu dynasty, who has Lakshmana on his right and Sita on the left, and who has Hanuman in his front. Lokabhiramam Ranarangadhiram Rajivanetram Raghuvamshanatham Karunyarupam Karunakaram Tam Shri Ramachandram Sharanam Prapadye. I take refuge in that Rama who is so very pleasing to the sight, the master of the stage of war, lotus-eyed, lord of Raghu race, who is the personification of compassion. Manojavam Marutatulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtham Vatatmajam Vanarayutha Mukhyam Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadye. I take refuge in Lord Hanuman, who is as fast as the mind, equals his father, the wind god, in speed, is the master of the senses, the foremost amongst the learned, the leader of the monkey forces, and the great messenger of Sri Rama. Kujantam Rama Rameti Madhuram Madhuraksharam Aruhya Kavita Shakham Vande Valmiki Kokilam. I salute the sage Valmiki who sings the glorious name of Rama as sweetly as a cuckoo sings, sitting atop a tree. आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्. I bow again and again to Rama, who removes all obstacles and grants all prosperity and pleases all. Bharjanam bhavabijanam Arjunam sukhasampadam Tarjanam yamadutanam Rama rameti garjanam. The roar of Ramanama is the destruction of the cause of rebirth, the earning of all wealth, and a scare to Yama's messengers. Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje Ramena Bihata Nishacharachamu Ramaya Tasmai Namaha. Ramannasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya dasosmyaham Rame chittalaya sada bhavatu me Bho Rama mamuddhara. Rama, the jewel among the kings, him I worship. By him so many demons have been destroyed. To him is said my prayer. Beyond him there is nothing to be worshipped. His servant I am. My mind is totally absorbed in him. O Rama, please lift me up from the lower to the higher self. Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. In chanting his name again and again, Shri Rama, Rama, I discover joy in Lord Rama, who pleases my heart and whose face is a blessing. Chanting his name is equal to the chanting of 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu. Iti Shri Buddha Kaushika Virachitam Shri Rama Raksha Stotram Sampurnam. Shri Sita Ramachandrarpanamastu. Hari Om.